everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to see a wonderful chicken starter recipe. This is very popular. This is chicken lollipops. Let's get started and check out the recipe. For the chicken lollipops, first I'm going to make a marinade. Take a bowl, add 1.5 teaspoons of soya sauce, 2 teaspoons chili sauce, 2 teaspoons tomato ketchup, the juice of half lemon, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon salt, some crushed pepper, one egg slightly beaten, 1 tablespoon corn flour and 1 tablespoon maida, that is all-purpose flour. Just going to mix everything together. I'm using 6 chicken lollipops for this recipe. So this way the pieces will absorb all the flavors and they'll get a nice coating. And let this sit for about an hour or so. Keep the flame on low and deep fry the chicken lollipops. We have to cook through. So I'm just adding 2 at a time to deep fry. So after frying the chicken lollipops, keep them aside. Now we're going to toss the chicken lollipops with some sauce. For this, take a pan, add 2 teaspoons of oil. Now add finely chopped garlic. Next add finely chopped ginger. I'm just going to add a few chopped red chillies. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Add 2 tablespoons chili sauce. And 2 tablespoons tomato ketchup. Just going to add very little water just to dilute the sauce a little bit. So make sure the chicken pieces are nicely coated with the sauce. Keep the flame on low. Let the pieces absorb the sauce a bit. So I'm just going to finish it off by adding some spring onion, some chopped spring onions, green and whites. Chicken lollipops are ready. Turn off the stove. Make sure you serve it nice and hot. So that's a perfect chicken starter recipe that everybody will love. You can make these delicious chicken lollipops at home. The key is in the marination. Make sure you follow all the steps to get them perfectly. And of course, it's coated with that lovely sauce and it's so juicy and so tasty. So do try the recipe, enjoy, and let me know how it turned out for you guys.